Alaikum students. I hope you are fine. Today we are going to start chapter number 2 lab work. Step number 1 is start Access 2016 application. Reopen the database children box. Okay, I already reopened the children books. Okay, fiction books table which we have created in the last lab. So step number 2 is open fiction book table. Okay, here T stands for table, okay, and F stands for form. Open fiction book T table, change the alternate color and customize the grid lines, okay. So first of all, how to change the alternate color? First you need to go to the home tab. In home tab you will see there is a text formatting group, okay. You can see there are many options. Background color also there, like if you want to change in this color, this is a background color, okay, you can make it okay background color. And you can change the alternate color also, okay. So alternate color is here black, and you can choose blue, you can choose white, whatever you want, okay. So you can, this is how you can choose the alternate color. So see, if I choose green, okay, if I choose gray, and if I choose blue, okay. So right now I'm going to select the white, okay. And grid line, okay, in grid line you can see there are four main options: grid line both, grid line horizontal, grid line vertical, and grid line none. Okay, first of all let me tell you the meaning of grid line, okay, because you should know that what is the meaning of grid line. Basically, first of all, the main thing is that Access makes your table easier to read is by adding grid line that mark the borders of each cell. If you see these lines, okay, this is vertical, so these are grid lines vertically, okay. If I choose horizontal, so you can see the lines are in vertical now, right, like this. But if I choose vertical, okay, so you can see the lines are in now vertical, okay. So what you have to do, you have to make it both, okay. If you choose, if you choose none, so see, you will see no grid line, no lines are there, okay. So but if you choose both, so you can see these lines clearly, okay. Okay, the next step is step number 3. Navigate through the record in the datasheet view to make sure that all the data has been entered correctly. Navigate through the record, okay. You can see this is a navigation bar here in the last. You can see records, and you can see this arrow, okay. Two arrows are there, the main two arrows, the previous record and the next record. So when you will move this, so it will go to the next record, and when you will press the previous record, so it will move back to the previous record, okay. So this button means you can add a new record also, like after 20 if you want to add a new record, so you can add a new record. Next step is create a simple form based on fiction book table. Save this form as fiction books F, okay. Now we have to create form of our this data like fiction book table, okay. So okay, first I want to change the name of fiction book table, okay. Okay, I will change later, okay. First I will create a form. So create, go to create tab, and there is an option form. Create a form that lets you enter information from one record at a time. When you will press this, you will see it's a form now. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20, okay. So now you can change the name of the forms, okay. Right click here and make fiction book F, because the F stands for here forms, okay. And you can change this name also, okay. So fiction book F, okay. So this one, okay, now I want to change the name of the fiction books table. So what I'm going to do, I will click on fiction books table. Okay, I will just close fiction books table. Now I can change the name of fiction books table like fiction books table. Okay, T stands for table here. Okay, girls, we can change in the end because right now we already opened the fiction books table, so we cannot rename it. So when we will close the file, then we can change it. So girls, now how to add a new record. Okay, how to add a new record. Okay, you have to press this button. Okay, new record. So this is how you are going to add the new record, and how you can start typing in the form. Okay, you will just right click. Okay, right click here. Okay, right click here on the form and press the form view. So this is how you are going to write the new record. Okay, so the 21st record according to the book, it is 1001 Arabian Nights and author and publisher edition and genre. So you have to type it one by one. So in title, 1001 Arabian Nights. Okay, now author, we need to write the author name. So girls, this is how you have to add the data in form. See, now 21st record is done. I want to add more record, so I need to press this blank record. Okay, basically navigate the record through this form to review the data. Append the following records to the table fiction book table through the form fiction book. You know the meaning of append is here add, to add. Now what you have to do, you have to write the data in forms. Whatever you will type data in forms, you will see it is automatically added in tables. Okay, so here this is 22nd data. So in 22nd data we have to write, enter the data. So girls, according to your book, you have to record data till 45 with the help of this record new button. So after entering all till 45, okay, what you have to do, right click and save the data. Okay, now open the fiction book tables. Now you will see your data is coming till 22. Okay, whatever you will add in uh, form, you will see the change in table also, but you have to add the all data in fiction books app. Okay, with the help of this button, new blank record. See, this is 23rd now. So in 23rd is, so this is how you are going to add the data in form. So yes girls, this is how you are going to enter the data in form. Okay, so if you want to delete anything, you can delete also. Okay, you can see these two buttons, new and save. Okay, if you press the new, so new form will appear. If you want to save, then save it will be save. Okay, or if you want to delete any record, so you can delete also. Okay, you have many options. Okay, let's suppose if you want to delete this, so select it and do delete it or delete record. So this is how you're going to delete the record. So girls, you have to write till 45 all records in forms and then and close the save and close the database children books. Okay, so this is how you are going to do the work. I hope that you understand everything. So okay, so you can change the name of the you can change the name of the table also. Fiction books T. It is fiction books T. See, T stands for table and F stands for form. So inshallah, see you in next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.